breath stinks and I don't know where this is. It could be hell, it could be heaven, I don't know what the difference is. My phone don't work, my glass is broken, now I can't see shit. And all my friends have done me so dirty.
Around the alleyway, you know the death alleyway? That over there? Suicide one?
My nigga, picture me high as shit, but don't try hard cause I always am. Take me to the place that makes sense. It's cherry fields, girls with big tits. I just wanna take a little dip, go skydive and learn this heel flip. I just wanna stay a big kid, never grow up and never go to college. Wanna run around and make friends, toes in the grass, wanna feel freedom. Tap into my key, mad at the day, never wake it slowly. Heal the world before 4:30, those are thoughts within, but I know it's never gonna happen.
What? Take it back. Hit, good shot.
Last thing on the nigga mind was his education. Grew up, learned to spend #1 weapon in an altercation. Never change your mind, little boy, don't be persuaded. Just keep the bad words rolled up, sold up, get elevated. Smoke some bitch, my niggas tryna live and get rich. Get back to the kids, it's emotion. My homie ain't that bitch, Scott's always on my shit, always run my dick. What's wrong with you now? No one ever dies, all we do is get fly. You're losing your pride, losing your eyes, and you're not worried about mine.